Another day of shenanigans on a Sunday morning. Chris is going to try to blow his, what is it, Chris?
It's a Tamiya DT03.
Right, running a 6S, he says.
Yeah, it's got a Max 8 in it. 65C 400 milliamp battery. Running stock gearing at the minute because I wanted to kind of shake down it and see what it's like. But yeah, I've lowered it.
Fast.
I've lowered it and everything, so I've stiffened the suspension, foams and all that shenanigans, you know. So we'll see.
We'll see. We soon find out how it goes. Here we have a bit of vintage to do the vintage speed runs and the new H&R to give it a test and see how it goes.
My God, did it just grip?
Yeah.
Fonzie.rc. We haven't got much range on this one,
So I have to run behind it.
and we're gone. Off you go, lad. And this one is
Fonzie.rc or Radio Shack. That was on low speed. Put that on a higher speed. And that should pull wheelies now.
yeah. Especially them grippy tyres.
Oh yeah, look at
Well,
that.
check him out. But you're not going to do a speed run because you're going to, unless you run behind it. Well, it's got better steering than my fucking low C. He forgot the sticky tape. I'm actually going to buy some brackets. You can buy these brackets on eBay, can't you?
For GPSs.
Those Bluetooth GPSs.
Yeah.
You can buy and just screw it in.
We can print them.
Huh?
You can print them.
Oh, you can print them. Oh, he's going to print me too. Zero it out, and it'll probably stay on zero, won't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Unless you run after it. We have a staggering 6 mile an hour. That's not bad.
It's okay.
That's not bad.
For what it is.
Yeah. High gear.
Yeah. Don't want to see what it is in low gear. Probably half of it.
Yeah. Range. What? 5 mile an hour?
How come?
In fact, 5.4.
Yeah. So it's only
Like
1.6 of a mile an hour extra on the high speed.
high speed.
Someone didn't put the correct gears in there.
So the conclusion is, don't worry changing it.
Yeah, 6.8. That's better.
6.8.
Sticky tape would have been so easy.
He's making a right meal of this.
It is, isn't it? Careful, don't scratch that body.
This was a test run.
He does run.
Even the GPS is scratched up.
Oh, look. Perfect.
Oh, we have a bucket.
Find the on and off switch first.
It's got so many wings, it's way down.
It's quite windy, so the more wings the better.
It will take off. The range is not bad.
It's not, it's still got range over there. That's on low speed, I believe.
It's got so much range, the luminous wheels help you see it. 2-speed.
What was that?
We have 5.9.
Wow, 5.9 miles an hour on the low speed. Let's swap that to the higher speed and watch it fly.
Oh, it's smoother. It's definitely smoother on the high speed.
Not very fast though.
If you make RC bodies, take note. Don't put too many wings on it. There's too much downforce.
That's exactly what that is. The downforce. Goods it stuck to the ground.
I did see 6 miles an hour.
Actually, I know why. Oh, range.
Range!
I know why. I forgot to use the turbo button.
Oh, is there a turbo button?
Yeah, it's got turbo. Look, I was just there.
How'd you get the turbo then? Just push it
Flick
right.
it to the left, to the
Oh! We forgot the turbo. Right, without turbo on high speed, we got 9 point. No, that can't be right.
It is
9.5.
9.5 miles an hour.
It didn't seem like 9.5 at all. Ooh!
Oh yeah.
Oh yes! Now we're talking. It is going to take off. That's impressive.
Steering is a bit funky, but
I'm impressed. And they were all taking the piss out of it. We ready, guys? Are we ready? This could be the champion.
it is already by half a mile plus. You won
14.9! 14.9. Right, I can't see anyone beating that.
Maybe. I've got to adjust this because it's pulling to one side.
I'm impressed. So that's using 8 double A's.
Yeah.
So imagine what it'd be like on 2S.
Probably get about 20.
Yeah.
Which way is it pulling? To the left, isn't it? Yeah. So it needs to go to the right a tiny bit.
So the flamethrower
is the winning
is the winning champion right now. Now, back in the day, if you were a kid, your face would be lit, literally, with that kind of speed.
See how far she
He's having more fun with this than he did with his. Way! He's having more fun with this than he had with the other one, with the 3S.
It's still picking up there.
That's the wing.
Yeah,
It's like a sail, isn't it?
And you were taking the piss.
15 miles an hour. We were taking the piss.
Champion.
Right. If you make body shells, put loads of wings on.
That will make it fast, and also turbo button.
Yeah.
That's what you need.
Yeah, you need a turbo button. We all need turbo buttons. A turbo button is like a 2S lipo.
No, it's a 2S that turns into a 3S. That was good though.
Yeah. I'm well impressed. So that's the winner.
That's the winner so far. 15 miles an hour.
15 miles an hour.
Days. Boom. And with this weight on the back as well.
I mean,